Now we have finished exercise 3.3. Today we will start with the new topic, that is common factors and common multiples. Now children, you know what is meant by multiples and what are meant by factors, right? If I will tell you to find the factors of 5, then you can write, let me write the name of the topic first, that is common factors and common multiples. Here we know the two terms, factors and multiples. If I will tell you to find the factors of 5, as I have told you, so factors of 5 will be 1 and 5, right? Then factors of, suppose 12 we want to find. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. These are the factors of 12. Like this we can find the factors. Okay. Now if I want to find the multiples of here I will write multiples of 4 we want to find. So multiples of 4 we can write, the first multiple is always the number itself. Okay. First, so 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, then 28, 32, 36, 40, 44. We can write so many, infinite number of multiples, right? So these are the multiples and these are the factors. Now what is meant by common factors and common multiples? Here we will consider the same example. The factors of 5 are 1 and 5. Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. If we want to find the common factors, we can write 1 is the common factor because it is there in the factors of 5 and 12. Therefore, common factors of 5 and 12 are only one, is only one, right? One more example of common factors we will write here. If I want to find the factors of common factors of 12 and 16. Okay, so what we'll do, we will find the factors of 12 are, as we know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12, right? Now factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8 and 16. If we want to find the common factors of 12 and 16, therefore we can write here, I will underline the common factors first. Here is 1, here also 1, here is 2, here also 2, then here is 4, here is 4. So these are the common factors. Okay. The remaining are the non-common factors. Therefore we will write here common factors of 12 and 16 is equal to 1, 2 and 4. Okay, this way we can write the common factors. Now one more term I want to tell you here. The new term, it is known as, I will just write here, co-primes. Co-primes co-primes. What are the co-prime numbers or co-primes? The numbers which are having only one as a common factor, that pair is known as a pair of co-prime numbers, right? So here we can say that 5 and 12 is a pair of co-prime numbers, or these are known as the co-primes, but we can't say that 12 and 16 are the co-primes because they are having more than one common factors, right? So we can say the definition of the co-prime is given in the textbook on page number 58, right? The definition of co-primes is two numbers having only one as a common factor are called co-prime numbers. Therefore, 5 and 12 are known as co-prime numbers, right? So after this, we can easily find, as we have found here, common factors of two numbers. With the same way, we can find the common factors of three numbers also. How to find the common factors of three numbers? Example, suppose here I will write 22, then 30 and one more, suppose 42. These are the three numbers of which we have to find the common factors, right? So first we will find the factors of 22 are 1, 2, 11 and 22, right? Now factors of 30 are 1, 3, 5, 6, then 10 and 30. Okay, now one more is there, 10, 15. So after 1 here is 2. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15 and 30. These are the factors of 30. Similarly, we can find factors of 42 is equal to 1. Factors are 1, 2, 3, then 4, 6, 7, then 14, then 14, where 14, 21 and 42, right? These are the factors of 42. Now what will be the common factors? Here we can write, therefore common factors of 22, 30 and 42 are, I will underline the common factors. 1, here is 1, here is 1, here also 1, here is 2, here is 2 and here also 2. Okay, other than this 6 is here and 6 is here, but 6 is not here, so it will not be the common factor. So common factors of these three numbers are 1 and 2. Okay, so here this way we can find the common factors, right? Now the next topic is common multiples. We know the multiples. If I want to find the common multiples of given three numbers, we know how to find the common multiples of two numbers. So if I will write here multiples, common multiples, I will write common multiples. If the numbers are, suppose 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so first we will write the multiples of 4. One thing here, children, you have to remember that we can write infinite number of multiples. Okay, so multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40, 44, then 48. Multiples of 5 are multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and so on. We can find infinite number of multiples of 5. Similarly, multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, then 66, 72, 78 and so on. Okay. Now if we want to write the common multiples of these three numbers, we can write here. Therefore, common multiples of 4, 5 and 6 are, I will underline the common multiples first. 4 is here, 5 is here, 4 is not there. Okay. After that, which number will come? If we will see, here is 20, here is 20, but 20 is not here. Right? Now, if you will see 30, here is not 30, here is not, here is 30 and here is also 30. Right? After that, 40 is here, 40 is here, but 40 is not here. Okay. So how to find the common factors? It must be there in all the three numbers. Right? If you will see, if you will find here, maybe after this we will get any of the common factor, common multiple. But right now 48, here 48 is not there and here is also 48 not there. Okay. So if you will see, right now here whatever we have found the multiples, no common multiple is there. Okay. Maybe it will come afterwards. So we will consider one more example, which is the simple example. We will see smaller numbers we will consider first, right? 2, 4 and suppose 6. Okay. So multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26 and so on. Right? Now multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 33, 36, 39 and so on. Right? Now third, multiples of 4, we have what we have taken here. Instead of 4 I will write here 3. Okay. So multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54, 60, 66, then 72, 78 and so on. Okay. Now the common multiples are 6 is here and here. Therefore, common multiples of 2, 3 and 6 are, first common multiple is, I will write here 2, 3 and 6 are 6, 12, then 18, 24. Okay, and maybe we will get some more common multiples. So this is how we can find the common multiples of given numbers.